Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will learn about data types. What is a data type? A data type describes the kind of information of a variable or action script element can hold. There are two kinds of data type built into a Flash: primitive and reference. The primitive data types are string, numbers, and boolean. They have constant value, therefore they can hold the actual value of element they represent. The reference data type, movie clip, and object have reference value that can change and therefore contain references to actual value of the element. Data types in ActionScript: string, number, boolean, object, movie clip, null, and undefined. String. A string is a sequence of characters such as letters, numbers, and punctual marks. You enter strings in an ActionScript statement by enclosing them in a single or double quotation mark. We can use addition operator to concat or join two strings. Example: greetings equal to welcome plus variable name. Escape sequence characters. There are other characters that cannot be represented in ActionScript except by special escape sequence characters. Escape sequence characters are /b, /f, /n, /r, /t, /double quotation mark, /single quotation mark, double slash, etc. They are used to insert backspace character, form fit character, line fit character, carrying return line character, tab character, double quotation mark, single quotation mark, backslash. Number. The number data type is double precision floating point number. You can manipulate numbers using arithmetic operations like additions, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, increment, and decrement. You can also use methods of built-in math and number classes to manipulate numbers. Example: math.sqrt of 100. The answer will be 10. Boolean. Boolean value is the one that is either true or false. ActionScript also converts Boolean value true and false to 1 and 0 when appropriate. Objects. An object is a collection of properties. Each property has name and value. The value of a property can be any Flash data type, even the object data type. We can access object's property by dot operator. Movie clip. Movie clip are symbols that can play animation in a Flash application. It is the only data type that refers to a graphics element. It allows us to control movie clip symbols using the methods of movie clip class. Example: my_mc dot start drag in bracket true semicolon, parent_mc dot get URL bracket http://www.macromedia.com/support/plus variable product and semicolon. Null. The null data type has only value null. The null value can be used in variety of situations. The situations are to indicate that a variable has not yet received a value, to indicate that a variable no longer contains a value as the return value of a function, to indicate that no value was available to be written by a function, or as a parameter to a function to indicate that a parameter is being omitted. Undefined. The undefined data types has one value, undefined, and it is used for a variable that hasn't been assigned a value. We will continue about data types in our next tutorial. Thank you.